I just told GoHighLevel's AI to make me as much money as possible, and what happened next was honestly one of the craziest things I've ever seen. It didn't just give me a list of random things to do. It created a full business idea tailored specifically to me and actually started to plan and execute specific tasks to help me get the business started. What I'm about to show you will blow your mind. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency that uses GoHighLevel every day. And over the last 6 months, we've generated over $2.6 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $2.6 million in revenue, and we have roughly 350 active clients. Now I want to be clear about something. This video is not about me just playing around with an AI chatbot. I'm going to show you how GoHighLevel's brand new Ask AI feature went from a few simple prompts to a fully built out business. And it did all of that without me ever leaving the platform. Let's start with chapter 1, how I use GoHighLevel AI for my agency. Before I show you what you can do, let me first show you how I've been using this. First, you need to know that GoHighLevel's new Ask AI feature is different from a regular chatbot because it can actually read everything inside of your GoHighLevel account. Your contacts, your pipelines, your conversations, your calendars, your workflows, everything. So I gave it one simple prompt. I told it to review all the data in my sub account and tell me how my agency can make the most money possible in the next 30 days. And what it did next blew me away. It created a full 30-day revenue audit of my entire agency. It started by pulling data from every major area simultaneously. It analyzed my lead sources and showed me a pie chart breaking down exactly where my leads were coming from. Paid search, direct traffic, organic referrals, even ChatGPT. But here's where it got really interesting. It identified hot leads that needed immediate action. These were real contacts sitting in my CRM who were actively trying to buy. One prospect had literally replied asking for pricing and we hadn't responded yet. Another one had just confirmed their strategy call for the next day. There were about 10 contacts total who were either asking for pricing, had calls booked, or had proposals pending. These were people ready to sign, and without the AI flagging it, some of them might have slipped through the cracks. But the single biggest lever it identified was our database reactivation pipeline. It told us that growing an agency isn't always about finding new leads. It's about warming up the hundreds of cold leads already sitting in our CRM who were never converted. Contacts who had been tagged as abandoned or had their strategy calls canceled. People who showed interest but never closed. Even a 10% conversion rate on hundreds of those leads would be significant revenue. Then I pushed it further. I told it my average price point is around $1,000 per month and asked how much revenue I could realistically generate if I executed the plan. I told it to take a moderately aggressive approach and not to answer until it was 95% confident. And this is where it got crazy. You could actually see the AI thinking through the math in real time. It presented its findings with bar charts, confidence ratings for each assumption, and a full breakdown of where the 32 new clients would come from. And ultimately, it projected roughly $32,000 in new monthly recurring revenue within 30 days. And truthfully, it is actually not too far off on our average for new sales, which made it feel more realistic. But here's the part that really got me. It didn't just show me the data. It offered to start taking action right there. It said it could draft replies to the hot leads who were waiting on a response, set up follow-up tasks for the team, and build out the entire reactivation campaign sequence. I'll show you this in action later in this video, but for now, I want you to understand how powerful this can be for you or your clients. Imagine getting your clients set up with a sub account, connecting all their communication channels and importing contacts, and then prompting Ask AI to identify potential revenue opportunities. That kind of analysis can immediately set you apart and position you as not just an agency, but a valuable business partner. But if you don't have an agency or a client yet, let me show you how you can use this for yourself in chapter 2, prompting your next big idea. So I wanted to see what would happen if I came to Ask AI as someone who doesn't have a business yet, someone who just wants to start making money. So I'm about to share with you several prompts you can put into Ask AI to help launch your own unique AI business. You can literally copy and paste these prompts for your own use. And if you want to follow along, then consider clicking the first link in the description below to get a 30-day free trial. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course completely free. I've also included the prompts for this video in the description as well. Now, the first thing I did was navigate to Ask AI, and I said, give me 2 ways to make $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue within the next 30 days. Customer acquisition must start on day 1. Instead of giving me some generic list like most AI tools would, it stopped and said, I need to learn more about you first. And it created an interactive questionnaire right there inside the chat. It asked me 7 questions. Things like, what are your strongest professional skills? How comfortable are you with cold outreach? Do you have a specific type of client you want to work with? What's your budget? How many hours per week can you commit? And more. Now, I answered all of these honestly. I told it I had marketing and advertising skills plus finance and accounting knowledge from growing up in my father's accounting business. I said I was somewhat comfortable with cold outreach but would need a script. And I wanted a hybrid delivery model, and I loved social media. And based on those answers, it didn't just give me some cookie cutter advice. It built a hyper-specific business idea tailored to my exact situation. The idea was a social media retainer for accounting and CPA firms, which I've actually thought about doing before. So this was spot on. It even gave me the pricing for a growth package at $497 a month. But the idea is just beginning. Let me show you what I did next in chapter 3, creating the execution plan. So now I have a business idea, but an idea without a plan is just a daydream. So I gave Ask AI another prompt. I said, create a 20-day plan that needs less than $1,000 up front that gets me to my first paying customer as fast as possible. Customer acquisition must start on day 1. And it built out the entire plan. First, it showed me a startup budget, and almost everything was free because I was already on the GoHighLevel platform. The CRM and social planner were included. Then it recommended some other basic tools like a professional email, but overall the total startup cost was under $200. Then it mapped out a full 20-day plan broken into 4 phases. Day 1 was all about building your outreach assets and making your first 30 touches. Day 2, you're making cold calls and sending more emails. By the end of the first week, you're supposed to have over 50 total touches and your first discovery calls booked. Phase 2 was about locking your first client. Phase 3 was building your case study. And phase 4 was scaling to hit $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Now here's where I pushed the AI even further. I said, ask me 3 yes or no questions to identify what will stop me this week. Then cut the plan in half and keep only what directly leads to money. So it asked me 3 questions. Will you make cold phone calls this week even if it feels uncomfortable? Do you have at least 5 uninterrupted hours blocked out this week? And will you send your first outreach before your offer, brand, or scripts feel fully ready? I answered yes to all 3. And based on that, it completely stripped the plan down to what it called the 3-session money plan. It gave me 2 hard rules. Rule 1, you need 3 90-minute windows. Rule 2, the email gets sent at exactly 90 minutes, whether it feels perfect or not. This is the kind of advice that actually gets people results instead of spending 3 weeks planning and creating logos before making their first call. Now that we have a plan, you'll probably want to know that you can actually do this and have something to show prospects. So let's talk about that in chapter 4, building the portfolio. Now, even though I don't think you need this to get started, I still wanted to see what it could do. So I gave it another prompt. I said, I want to build a small portfolio of social media images and carousel examples I can show to accountants before selling. Can you guide me through the best way to do this with using you? And watch what happened. The AI created an entire mock accounting firm right on the spot. It came up with a fictional firm name and brand based in Atlanta. It chose a color palette of deep navy, gold, and white. It gave the firm a professional tagline, and then it generated a complete portfolio. It created 3 standalone social media posts. One was an educational tax tip post. One was a bold stat post about how most small business owners don't know their monthly profit margins. And the third was an authority building post about revenue, profit, and cash flow. Then it created a 3-slide carousel sequence. The first slide was a hook to grab attention. The second slide listed 3 signs that it's time to hire a CPA. And the third slide was a call to action to book a free consultation. But I didn't stop there. I told the AI to enhance the designs, and it upgraded all 5 pieces simultaneously. It added vignette gradients, metallic badge elements, geometric gold accents, and refined typography. The before and after was night and day. I've been creating full calendars of social media content using Ask AI. In a previous video, I created 33 social media posts in 1 prompt. I'll link that video at the end so you can check that out if you haven't already. But keep in mind, Ask AI can also do a lot more than just social media posts. It can build websites, create courses, write email sequences, design lead magnets, and more. But I wanted to stay focused on the path to money. And that brings us to the most powerful part. Chapter 5, Finding Prospects and Sending Outreach. All right, this is the chapter that's going to blow your mind because everything I've shown you so far has been impressive. But this is where Ask AI goes from being a helpful tool to being a full business partner. I gave it a prompt and told it to act as a B2B lead generation specialist and market researcher. I asked it to identify 25 small businesses in Atlanta within the accounting industry. And for each one, I wanted the company name, website, phone number, email address, and so on. You can pause the video if you want to read the entire prompt. And it went to work. It searched the web, checked the Google Ads Transparency Center, and came back with a list of 25 accounting firms in Atlanta that are actively spending money on advertising. It pulled their websites, phone numbers, and any publicly available contact information. Now here's where it gets really smart. I told it to identify which prospects on that list would benefit the most from having a consistent social media presence. And the AI analyzed all 25 firms. It checked their Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn pages. It looked at how often they were posting, how many followers they had, and whether their social media matched the quality of their paid advertising. It identified certain firms that were already crushing it on social media and told me to skip those. Then it ranked the remaining firms by their social media gap. And it found one firm that was the perfect target. A firm that had a strong reputation, was spending money on Google Ads to acquire clients, had an established presence in their industry, but had almost no social media presence at all. But this is where it gets crazy. I told Ask AI to act as an Instagram strategist, an outreach specialist, and create 3 sample social media posts specifically for that firm, along with a cold outreach email. And it didn't create generic posts. It created posts that were branded to look like they came from that specific firm. It used their brand colors. It referenced their actual specialties. It created content that spoke directly to their target audience. One post was about their industry expertise. Another was about a specific tax credit that their clients could benefit from. And the third was a powerful quote about revenue, profit, and cash flow. Then it wrote a cold outreach email that referenced specific details about the prospect. It mentioned where they had been seen in the industry. It pointed out the gap between their ad spend and their non-existent social media. And it offered to show them the 3 posts that were already created specifically for them. No pitch, just the work. But I wanted to push it even further. So I told the AI to create another version of the email, but this time embed one of the social media images directly in the email body. And it did exactly that. It took the post about revenue, profit, and cash flow, embedded it right in the email, and wrote a shorter, punchier version of the outreach. The subject line was personalized. The image was the first thing you saw when you opened the email, and the call to action asked if they wanted to see a full month of branded content for their firm. The AI even broke down why this email converts better. The subject line creates curiosity. The image does the selling before you even read a word. There's no pricing mentioned. And the credibility line about growing up in the accounting industry eliminates the biggest objection, which is that you don't understand their world. And then I said 2 words, send this email. The email was queued successfully. The contact was created with all the proper tags, and the AI even told me what to watch for next. If there's no reply in 3 days, it can send a follow-up. If there's no reply in 7 days, it drops a second visual with the restaurant themed post. And if the prospect replies yes, it will build the full 30 post monthly proposal on the spot. It even asked me if I wanted it to schedule those follow-up emails automatically so they fire without me having to remember. Think about what just happened. From one conversation inside of GoHighLevel, Ask AI came up with a business idea tailored to my skills, built the execution plan, created a portfolio of professional social media posts, found 25 real prospects, analyzed their social media presence, identified the perfect target, created custom branded content for that specific prospect, wrote a personalized cold outreach email with an embedded image, and sent it through the CRM. All of that without me ever leaving the platform. So that is what happens when you ask GoHighLevel AI to make you as much money as possible. And the truth is, this is just one conversation. You could do this same process for any industry. Dentists, landscapers, restaurants, real estate agents. The AI tailors everything to whoever you're targeting. If you haven't tried GoHighLevel yet, use my link in the description to start your free trial, and you'll get my full AI business blueprint course for free. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I show you 19 ways to use GoHighLevel so well it honestly feels illegal. So go check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.